when it comes to equality, both of them?
Um,
In the sense, see.
we're here to talk about
Yeah,
sex.
okay. Yeah. See, if a girl likes a girl.
No, you didn't get it. Not male or female.
Okay.
Physical contact,
Yeah,
touch,
yeah.
sex.
Okay. So,
Yeah, are you old enough to talk about sex?
yeah, fine.
Of course, I've been old enough since the age of 9, I think.
Obviously.
Obviously, we are old enough to do sex.
Yes, I am very much old enough to talk about sex.
Yeah, I think.
What do you mean you think?
I just
Yes or
turned
no?
18, so yeah. मम्मी देखेंगी क्या मेरा वीडियो? Yeah, I think we are old enough.
Do you think the Indian society is open towards the whole idea of sex? As of now, they are not, but they should be because we are, after all, the people who gave the world Kama Sutra.
Some places it's fine, some places they still make a big deal out of it. Obviously it's happening. It's happening. Your neighbors are doing it. Your houses, it's happening. Your parents are doing it.
You can hear them.
Yeah, you can hear them. Yeah. I see them.
Example, my mom and dad. If I talk to them about sex, they won't feel so comfortable, obviously. So I don't think like everyone is too open about sex. Yeah.
Auntie, uncle, please talk to him about sex. It's required, yes.
It's not a taboo. So yeah, you should talk about it. Just
Like it happens in the open, right? Not in the open.
I mean, we should teach our children where babies come from and not just say, just it comes,
This talk thing.
Yeah.
In Manipal, at least, like, people are starting to be okay, the guards at least are starting to be okay with PDF of all sorts.
The way I think that the change is going to be brought about is if we have non-profit organizations introduce their own version of sex ed in schools, starting like 6th grade, 8th grade, that kind of thing.
Yeah, I think that's very important because we have a lot of problems in our society, especially amongst the poorer people, where there is no discussion of sex. So if there's no discussion of sex, there can't be discussion of safe sex and like contraception and condoms and things like this, which are very important.
I never got the talk.
You never got the talk.
From my parents.
How misinformed are you in life?
Very common, but in India it's like, oh my god, sex. It's like,
Yeah, like you can't make a population of 2 billion without sex.
मेरे साथ तो if I'll ask anyone, मतलब अगर normal discussion भी हो रहा है तो I don't know, I feel that they'll judge me. Yeah, I don't know.
What, according to you, is the most essential part of a girl's body? And girls or guys, I don't know.
Aura?
Very clear. Aura?
Yeah. Like you either have a sexy aura or you don't.
That's what she said.
I think intelligence, not a particular body part, but
Mind, very much specific. It's a most sensual part of the human body. Your mind. Yes.
Face. The neck.
The thigh.
The thigh.
I think the earlobe. He's stuck on the earlobe.
I think I have a navel fetish.
You have a navel fetish. Wow.
of the guy, I think it's the shoulders.
The girls, it's like the chest area, like right here, like below the neck.
Below the neck.
Below the neck, a little below the neck. And for guys, the back.
Probably for me, I guess it's the neck.
So neck works.
Yeah, the neck. The neck is the trick.
Your neck or her neck?
I don't know. My neck. I don't know.
Small of the back.
What?
The small of the back, like
Which show?
here.
Bottom part of your foot, like this.
No, that's the shiv.
What were you trying to like do acupuncture and shit on that person or something?
No, that honestly works, trust me.
It does. Okay.
If you're flat foot, then it doesn't work.
Acha. Oh.
That, then it
If it's curved. Acha. Okay. Cool.
For females, it should be the clitoris. Because
Duh.
Boobs, easily.
Easily, hands down.
I'm really not sure about this.
Do you want me to give you options or like?
हाथ में सट्टा है कि नहीं?
How will that decide your
पता नहीं यार, लड़कियां स्मोक करते हुए गलत थॉट लगती हैं.
गलत thought?
He agrees. I think vagina.
I'm talking about when a girl is walking.
Okay.
Yeah, like in Casey.
neck. It really turns you on.
Yeah.
Would it be bad if I said personality? I don't, because it, okay. Abs or collarbones, I don't know.
Abs. Daksh doesn't have abs.
So that's why I said personality.
So have you read the Kama Sutra? No, not all of it.
Not all of it.
Yes.
So, what's your favorite sex position?
I haven't reached it till there.
Oh, you haven't reached till there. Fine, okay.
I like. No, I don't want to share it. It's okay.
don't wanna say this.
No, it's okay.
My girlfriend's gonna beat me up. Expression.
I'm gonna be old-fashioned and go missionary.
I like to be dominated though.
I think doggy style.
Doggy style.
Missionary.
Every.
Yeah?
Every. Reverse cowgirl. I like to take it from below the girl. So, you know there's an upward push. It's challenging.
It's challenging. So you lift a girl.
Yeah.
You lift a girl. Okay, that narrows down the number of girls to like everyone below 35 kgs in life.
Also explains why he's had sex only once.
Submissive? No. 69?
Missionary?
Starlight.
What?
What is that?
I like Starlight.
Everyone's gonna Google it after you like watching this video.